The morning of January 6, 1981 dawned cold and bright in Dewsbury, England. A palpable tension hung in the air, a stark contrast to the quiet hum of everyday life. The streets were unusually crowded, packed with people drawn to the imposing structure of the Dewsbury Magistrates' Court. They were there for one reason. Peter Sutcliffe, the notorious Yorkshire Ripper, was making his first court appearance. The air crackled with anticipation as the police van, its windows dark and impenetrable, pulled up to the courthouse. For 7 years, the shadow of the Yorkshire Ripper had loomed large, casting a pall of fear over the north of England. Now, finally, the man accused of those horrific crimes was about to face justice. Peter Sutcliffe, a seemingly ordinary truck driver, had become the embodiment of terror. His crimes, brutal attacks on women, had instilled a deep sense of fear and vulnerability in communities across Yorkshire and beyond. The police investigation, one of the largest and most complex in British history, had consumed countless resources and manpower. For years, the investigation seemed to be a frustrating maze of dead ends and false leads. The public, bombarded with news reports and police appeals, grew increasingly anxious and disillusioned. Then, in a dramatic turn of events, Sutcliffe was apprehended in January 1981. His capture, almost a fluke, involved a routine check of his vehicle and the discovery of false license plates. As Sutcliffe was led into the courtroom, flanked by police officers, all eyes were on him. The courtroom was packed, every seat filled with journalists, legal professionals, and members of the public eager to witness this pivotal moment. The weight of the charges against him, 13 counts of murder and 7 of attempted murder, hung heavy in the air. The proceedings themselves were brief, a mere formality in the long legal process that lay ahead. Sutcliffe's demeanour, calm and unremarkable, did little to quell the anger and revulsion felt by many present. Yet there was also a sense of relief, a collective sigh of relief that the long hunt was finally over. The capture and trial of Peter Sutcliffe marked a turning point in criminal history, not just in Britain but globally. The case highlighted the importance of forensic science and criminal profiling, techniques that were still in their infancy at the time. It also exposed shortcomings in police procedures, leading to significant reforms within law enforcement agencies. More importantly, perhaps, the Yorkshire Ripper case had a profound impact on societal attitudes towards crime and safety, particularly for women. It shattered the illusion of safety in everyday life, forcing society to confront the dark reality of violence against women. The case sparked a national conversation about women's safety, leading to increased awareness and the implementation of measures aimed at protecting women from violence.